As far as pedagogy is concerned, first we offer usual class lectures. Apart from that, a whole lot of other learning resources are available. For instance, we cover different types of Harvard cases or Ivy cases as per the requirement of the subjects, simulations as per the requirements of different courses, and also different types of real life companies data. For instance, if students are going for analyzing the financial data of real life companies, they can take the help of Bloomberg for global data, CMI Prowess for Indian data, EMIs for emerging countries data. So these things are taken care of in case of discussing or delivering the courses.
We at IMI Kolkata, we are providing students to use Bloomberg from their first term onwards, so that the students will get accustomed to this Bloomberg and they are going to do a lot of projects. They are providing students to access Bloomberg Terminal from their first term onwards, so that the students will get accustomed to this Bloomberg Terminal and they can extract data for their assignments, cases, projects, and as well as for the live projects which they are getting from the industry. The companies like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Morgan & Stanley, hedge fund companies, asset management companies, the traders, these people are using real-time data which is taken out from Bloomberg for taking investment decisions. Once our students get hands-on experience with this Bloomberg terminal, they are having upper hand in their job market, because these companies are looking for somebody who is having experience in accessing Bloomberg terminal, so that they can reduce giving training to these students to access Bloomberg when they join the job. Once the students are accustomed to this Bloomberg terminal, they are having competitive edge in the job market.